53.5. WAEC 2025 Physics Practical Trial Question 2. Light. This is the diagram of the practical. This is the diagram. This is the plane mirror, and this is the incident ray, reflected ray, the angle at which the incident ray make the vertical here, and the angle at which the image made the vertical here. You are provided with a plane mirror, drawing paper. This is the plane mirror, drawing paper, optical pins, drawing board, protractor, meter rule, and drawing pins or sellotape. You are directed to fix the drawing paper on the drawing board. This is the drawing paper fixed on the drawing board. Place the plane mirror back by wood of size 15 cm by 15 cm by 10 cm. I'm using this pack as my wood, with its larger side on the drawing board. Trace the outline AB of the plane mirror, drawing a normal NQ to meet the outline at the middle Q. Draw a straight line through A to meet the outline of the plane mirror at right angle. Trace the incident ray CQ with pins P1 and P2 so that it meets the perpendicular line through AC, such that CA is equal to X, is equal to 1, CA is equal to X is equal to 1. Replace the mirror in its own outline. Locate the images of P1 and P2 through the mirror using two other pins. P3 and P4, so that P3 and P4 are the images of P1 and P2 are in a straight line. Remove the plane mirror and pins P3 and P4. Draw a straight line through the pin points to meet AB at Q and CA produced at D. CA produced at D. Measure and record angle ACQ as θ1 and ADQ as θ2. Also record the value of X, which is 1.0. Evaluate theta as θ1 plus θ2 divided by 2 and theta. Repeat the procedure for 4 other values of S equal to 2.0, 3.0, 4.0 and 5.0 cm. Calculate your reading. Plot a graph of tan theta on the vertical axis against S inverse on the horizontal axis. Determine the slope S of the graph. Evaluate K is equal to 2S. State two precautions taken to ensure accurate results. B1, state Snell's law of diffraction. B2, state 4 features of the image formed by plane mirror. Now, this is the plane mirror which we are directed to place on the drawing board and trace it. You see, If you don't hold it, it will fall down. So as a result of that, we use wood size 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter by 10 centimeter in order to support it, so that it will stand without falling, so that when you place it like this, it will not fall. It will not fall. But when you place it like this, it will not fall. So we want to start. This is line AB. This line AB, you measure 1 centimeter down here. Centimeter. This is the mirror. This is the silver side of the mirror. Then you place pin P1 here. At the end of S is equal to 1. After that, you replace the mirror. Then you use the second pin P1 to cover the image. You close your right eye and open the left one, so that pin P2 will cover the image of pin 1. So after that, you use P3 to cover the images of the two pins. Images of the two pins. That is P3. Then you use P4 to cover the two images of P1 and P2 and P3, so that all the first two images and the two objects P3 and P4 will be on a straight line. Then you remove the mirror. After that, you remove P1, P2, P3, P4 and join them together to produce it to Q. So you produce, this is C, produce this one to G, this is A, X is equal to 1, this is Q, you produce Q to D, then this is theta 1, this is theta 2. So this is the incident ray. The arrow shows that it is incident. This is P1, P2, P3, P4. This is reflected ray. That is the end of the first one. Okay, before You use this one to get your normal. This is N. That is theta 1, theta 2 for x that is 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0. So let's measure the angle of theta 1 for 1 centimeter. This is 60. This 60. Theta 2. This one is 40. For s is equal to 1. Now we are going to s is equal to 2. Draw the outlines AB. Remove it. Locate 2 centimeter x perpendicular. So x is equal to 2 centimeter. This is A. Produce CA to D. Then you place the first pin here at C. You replace the mirror. Replace the mirror. Then use P2 to locate the image of the first, to cover the image of the first P1. Then use P3, pin 3 to cover the 2 images of P1 and P2. Close your right eye and open the left one. Use P4 to cover the image of P1 and P2 and object P3. Then you remove the plane mirror and all the 4 pins. Draw, produce P1 to join mirror at Q. You demarcate the cipher side of the mirror. This is theta 1. You draw the perpendicular normal Now this one then you produce it to D. This is Q, this is D, this is N, this is P1, this is the arrow to show that it is incident ray, this is this arrow here to show that this is reflected ray, this is P3, this is P4. That's the end of the second one, theta 2. Let's measure the theta 1 and theta 2. This is 20, 30, 40, 50, 62. Theta 1, theta 2, theta 1 is 62. Theta 1 is 45. Now the third one, place the mirror again on the drawing paper. Draw 3 centimeters down. Reduce it upward. This is A, this is B, this is the safer side. Place your pin at C. Replace the mirror. Then use P2 to locate the image of P1 and cover it with. Close one eye, a right eye. And open the left eye. With that one, you'll be able to locate the image of the first pin. Then you now use P3 to locate the two images of to cover the two images of P1 and P2. Then use P3 to cover the images of P1 and P2 and of the P3. Yes, so that P1, P2, P3, P4 will be on a straight line. After that, you remove the pin. Produce C to Q. To join AB at Q, then draw a perpendicular. After that, produce Q to reflected ray. This is C, this is P1. The arrow shows that it is incident ray. This is P2. This is P3, this is P4, this is emergent ray. Produce this one one will give us, this is x is equal to 3 centimeter. Switch on the light. See, so let's measure the angle. This is 60. That one is 60. Eta 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 66. 66. Now we remove the drawing paper and use the other side for the remaining two. Like we did the other time, you place the mirror on the drawing paper. Draw a horizontal AB. Locate the silver side of the mirror. After that, draw a length of 4 centimeter from A to C. That will be perpendicular to AB. That's the end of the 4 centimeter. That is C. Then you locate it. X is equal to 4.0 centimeter. Place the pin there at C. Then after that, you will place the mirror. Use pin 2 to cover the image of pin 1. Close the right eye and open the left one. Then use P3 to cover the images of P2, P1 and P2, and use P4 to cover the image of P1 and P2 and of P3, so that all of them will be on a straight line. Then you remove the plane mirror, the two objects and the pins. You produce them to Q. Then join P3 and P4. Produce CA to G. Draw normal at Q. So this is Q. This is N. P1, P2, incident ray, reflected ray, P3, P4. Now, the last but not the least, you place the mirror on the drawing board again. Draw the horizontal. Then locate 5 centimeter down from AB of the mirror side. is 5 centimeter. Identify the cipher side. This is A, B, then replace the mirror. Place the pin P1 at C. Use P2 to cover the image of P1. Close the right eye and open the left one. Then use P3 to cover the images of P1 and P2. Use P4 to cover the image of P1 and P2 and P3. Then remove all the pins and join them to Q. This is Q, P1, P2, incident ray. Produce this one, draw the perpendicular, normal, then produce reflector ray to Q, produce CA to D, so this is P3, P4, reflector ray, X is equal to 5.0 centimeter. So we can now the value theta 1 for 5 centimeter and theta 2 are so theta 1 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Theta 2 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 56. For 4 centimeter. For 5 centimeter, theta 1 is 65. Theta 2 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we can now calculate the readings. Now, these are the two cases. This is case 1. Case 1, this is individual traces. Individual students must submit one of these traces. But if a single student produces the traces in the case 2 and write the name of 10 students there, like this, only the first student, number 1, we get the values of the traces we get to be recorded for him. But others, number 2 to 10, they will not get any mark for traces, and for theta 1, theta 2, and theta. So now let me record the value of the theta. For S1, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
60.00, theta 2, 40.00. For S is equal to 2, theta 1, 62.00, theta 2, 45.00. For S is equal to 3 centimeter, theta 1, 60.00, theta 2, 66.00. For S is equal to 4, theta 1 is 60.00, theta 2 is 56.00. For S is equal to 5, theta 1 is 65.00, theta 2 is 60.00. Now let's find the average. Yes. Sixty plus 40 divided by 2. 60 plus 40 is 100 divided by 2 is 50. 62 plus 45 is 107. 107 divided by 2 is 53.5. 60 plus 66 is 126. 126 divided by 2 is 60. Is it clear?
Yeah.
60 plus 66 is equal to 126. 126 divided by 2 is 63. 60 plus 56 is 116. 116 divided by 2 is 58. 65 plus 60 is 125. 125 divided by 2, 62.50. Now, tan theta. Tan 50 is equal to 1.192. Tan 53.5 is equal to 1.35. 1.351 times 63 is 1.963 times 58 1.600 times 62.5 is equal to 1.920. 1/1 is 1.000. 1/2 is equal to 0.500. 1/3 is 0.333. 1/6 is 0.167. 1/5 is 0.20. 0. Now let's plot the graph. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And tan theta on the vertical axis and S inverse on the horizontal axis. So maximum value of tan theta is 1.9. So value of tan theta is 1.9, and the minimum value is 1.19. So we are going to use 0.5 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. So this will be 0.5. Okay, 0.5. 20 small square is equal to 0.5. 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0. Horizontal S inverse, maximum of 1 and minimum of 0.2. So we use 10 small square is equal to 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1.0. So this is tan theta. This is x inverse. Now, when x is equal to 1.19, when theta is 1.19, s inverse is 1.19 or 1.2. Okay, this is 1.19.
Yeah. Okay.
1.2. Okay. 1, 2, and 1. When n is equal to, when theta is 1.35, 1.25, 1.35 in here. X infra is 2.5. When x is equal to 1.96, 1.96, while x infra is 2.33. When tan theta is equal to 1.6, 1.6 is 1.5, 1.6 will be here. X infra is 0.17. 0.17. When x is equal to, when tan theta is equal to 1.9, x infra is 0.2. 0.2. So let's draw the cut 2 points. Now, in order to calculate the slope, we are going to use this vertical axis and this one. This is y2, y1, x2, x1. So our y2 is 2.0, 2.1, 2.2. 2.25. Our y1 is 1.25. Our x2 is 0. Our x1 is 0.81. So this one will now give us 1.00 divided by minus 0.81. So our slope is equal to our slope is 1 divided by 0.81 is equal to 1 minus 1.224. So k is 2s, 2 times 1.24 is equal to 4.8. Now, precautions. I noted and corrected 0 error on the meter rule. 2. I avoided parallax error on the meter rule. If the traces are neat, without stating it in your answer sheet, you will be given mark for neat traces. B1. You are directed to state Snell's law. Snell's law states that the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the ratio of sine of angle of diffraction is a constant for a given pair of media. Features of the image formed by the plane mirror. The image is laterally inverted. The image is upright. The image is the same size in the mirror as the size of object in front of the mirror. And the fourth one, the image is at the same distance in front of the mirror as object is in the front of the mirror. Thank you very much.